Elon Musk's 10 Greatest Inventions Changing the World. Hello and welcome to CosmoTech Chronicles, your source for the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Elon Musk's 10 greatest inventions that are changing the world. Elon Musk, often compared to the modern-day Thomas Edison, is a visionary entrepreneur known for his groundbreaking ideas and inventions. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the incredible innovations that have earned him recognition as one of the most influential figures of our time. So, let's dive right in. Our journey begins with Tesla Motors, the electric car company that's revolutionizing the automotive industry. Tesla's electric vehicles have taken the world by storm, with the company's stock soaring to new heights. Their flagship Model 3, priced at an affordable $35,000, is set to transform the way we think about electric cars. Next up, we have SpaceX, Elon Musk's aerospace company. SpaceX is on a mission to reduce the cost of space transportation and make Mars colonization a reality. Their Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 rockets, designed for reusability, have already made history by delivering cargo to the International Space Station. Did you know that Elon Musk played a pivotal role in the evolution of online payments? In 1999, he co-founded X.com, which later became PayPal. This revolutionary platform changed the way we handle online transactions, and it was eventually acquired by eBay for a staggering $1.5 billion. Elon Musk's vision for the future doesn't stop at electric cars and space travel. He's also thinking about transportation on Earth. The Hyperloop, introduced in 2013, aims to transport passengers between Los Angeles and San Francisco in just 35 minutes. This high-speed rail system is a game-changer in the world of transportation. Before Musk's fame as a space enthusiast, he co-founded Zip2, a company aimed at helping the newspaper industry create online city guides. It was acquired by Compaq for $307 million in 1999. Elon's innovative thinking was evident even in the early days of the Internet. Elon Musk's commitment to a sustainable future led to the co-founding of SolarCity. Today, it's one of the largest providers of solar power systems in the U.S. SolarCity's innovative approach includes solar panel installations and energy storage solutions, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. While not officially in development yet, Elon Musk has hinted at the idea of an electric jet. This futuristic concept could revolutionize air travel, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. Smaller airports could become a reality with this innovation. Elon Musk's vision extended to web-based phone calls as well. Back in 1997, he had the idea of allowing computers to call landlines. This forward-thinking idea secured a patent in 2001, paving the way for future advancements in Internet communication. In 1998, Elon Musk foresaw the importance of location-specific searches. His idea was to automatically refine search results based on your geographic location, a concept that has become integral to modern search engines. And finally, before Elon Musk became a household name, he was a kid who loved video games. At the age of 12, he created his own game called Blastar, selling it for $500 to a magazine. It's a testament to his creativity and entrepreneurial spirit even from a young age. Elon Musk's inventions and ideas have left an indelible mark on the world, from electric cars and space exploration to online payments and futuristic transportation systems. His relentless pursuit of innovation continues to inspire us all. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Elon Musk's 10 greatest inventions that are changing the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends. Until next time, this is Sushant from CosmoTech Chronicles, signing off.